Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner and welcome to 2021. Crazy, isn't it? So I had planned to do this like right off the bat at the beginning of New Year's, but you know what? That doesn't always work for me. So we're going to talk about my goals here and announcements and other such things. Thanks for joining. So the first announcement, I guess I should say, it's probably in the thumbnail and the title and stuff, is I'm going to be publishing books this year. At least one, hopefully two, maybe even three. I am moving forward with my goals to be a multi-genre hybrid author. If you're not sure what all that means and what my plans are, then I'm recommending you also go check out my other channel. Now, I started putting writing videos up here. I think I have like 3, maybe 4, about like NaNoWriMo and a little short story challenge, and I kind of struggled with that because, you know, I have this little platform. We've got nearly 5,000 subscribers. It's monetized. That helps because right now I'm on a leave of absence because it's COVID season and I work for an airline. So anyway, I mean, this is my creativity corner. This is my corner of the internet where I get to say, you know what? That's something creative and it's not a specific niche, but gosh darn it, I want to do it and I want to share it with people because I'm one of those people that if I create something, I want to teach people to do it too. I want to take them along the journey with me. That's always been my thing. And it's funny because as I've gotten into writing, I will ask people to read my books. They're called beta readers. I'll go into that kind of stuff on my other channel. But, you know, I'll have people that are like, oh yeah, I've written several books myself, but I would never show them to anyone. I could never imagine them being published. And I'm just like, wait, say what? What? Like, why would you create something and not share it? But I realize not all personalities are that way, but that's me. Anyway, so that's why I have this channel, is I like to reach out, I like to create, I like to share. And, but I realized that not everyone here it's more cooking and crafting, book reviews and writing books, very different niche. And knowing that I'm going so devoutly into that right now, I didn't want to muddle things up. So we're going to be keeping that separate. And I am still going to be posting on this channel. I have not been doing so regularly. A lot of that has to do with my current passion of writing and a lot of work behind the scenes to publish as an indie author at first. But also some of it has to do with my health, mental and physical, and stuff I'm working through. I have so much footage. I have so many ideas. I have so many supplies. So videos will be coming. I do appreciate you hanging on here, but I do also appreciate you checking out my other channel that is brand spanking new and needing subscribers. So if you just want to support me, if you want to learn, you know, if you've always pictured yourself writing a book, which I think most people honestly have, go check it out. I'll be doing some videos with tips of things that I've learned along the way. Sometimes the easy way, sometimes the hard way, and just bring you along for that journey and talk about books. You know, whether or not you're a big reader or not, I think it would be a fun place to go if you are a creative type such as myself. So anyway, running out of battery, I want to thank you for subscribing and being there with me. And all of the links are down below, my website, social media, my new YouTube channel, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Stay cheery amidst all the crazy that's going on right now in life, and we'll see you around, okay? I'm gonna try to get a video up sooner than later here. I'm gonna work on it. Anyway, all the guilt. Thank you again. We'll see you guys around.